Hello guys.
Oh,
We're gonna make cookies today from a box.
today.
Yeah, and we'll see how it goes. Alright. So
We need a bowl.
I just need
Oh,
to
the
tell
bowl
what
in
to
there.
do.
your bowl in there.
Guys, I got all tie hair. Oh, you all like it.
Yeah, I've already done that. Oh my
I'll
gosh.
do
Okay.
that.
You're just behind.
No. Yeah, get one of those.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay. Oven 160, we're good. Bit baking paper.
This is your house, so.
I know, but I don't cook ever.
Cook.
You don't do any
clean.
Do.
And then you know the second part of it, and then it's like, yes, I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning. Yeah. Also get the
Okay.
butter.
What?
Smooth like
Oh,
butter.
I was like, that's like you are butter.
I am butter.
I was so confused. Alright.
Aluminium foil.
So our ovens, we gotta put bowl first and then the baking paper.
Oh,
You'll see.
okay.
Yeah,
What
you'll
do
see.
you want me to do?
Butter.
What's the first? Oh, butter.
Oh, you
Oh,
actually
she's
need
getting
butter?
it. Yes.
Oh, you're joking.
That was a
Butter.
joke.
No.
Okay, that's all oil we have.
Margarine.
Yes.
Why did you say it like that?
Margarine. Because it's not butter.
Oh my god,
No, but you say
works.
margarine, not margarine.
Yeah. I
I
use
was
it.
trying
Oh my
hard to
gosh.
pronounce it.
What do you need?
Anything, I stood here.
So, sorry.
Your moral support.
Yeah, I'm here to help.
Sorry, bro.
You're just gonna
Okay.
make sure the camera doesn't turn off when we're cooking.
Okay, 1.5 tablespoons. That's
I
behind
know where that is.
you.
Oh.
One hot of what? Sorry?
Butter.
Oh.
But isn't it melted or is it just normal?
Oh yeah, put it in a bowl first, and then we'll melt it partially in the microwave. So it's not as
What's that?
put in there. Put in there. Put in there.
Yeah.
Hold on.
That way, if you put it in the microwave, it'll be faster. Because
Oh.
that's how much you have.
I'm getting another spoon to not touch it, you know?
No, that's true. I'm just like, yeah, I'm that person.
Are you that
Whisk-
person who eats like
whisk.
sandwiches and you cut it?
No.
Oh.
Wait, what? Like if you just have like a
Cut
piece of
sandwiches.
bread.
Like
No,
you-
not
like-
just a piece of bread.
No, like as in
Like a sandwich.
Yeah.
do you
You
cut
cut
it?
it with scissors.
Oh,
Or do you just eat it?
Oh no, I cut it like I cut it diagonally. so
I
it's
cut
like
it into two
triangles.
pieces.
Wait, do I add? Put it like 20 seconds.
Okay.
Wait, do you? Wait, just put it on top. Put it on top. It's fine.
No! The
Yes.
butter's gonna melt and get
Oh,
out of the microwave!
No,
Okay, I'm just gonna do what Alicia says.
Quick set, and then 1. Then when it gets to 40, just stop it.
Oh,
That's 1 minute.
did you hear that noise?
What?
It went
What?
boom! And then it went
That was a microwave like 10 years old.
Oh.
Oh. Okay.
Hey.
Anyway.
There's evidence that I said don't do it.
Sorry, that was really cough.
Okay, what's next?
Where's the whisk?
Third drawer. Or second, one of them.
One of them.
Yeah, shake the bottom.
Oh, here it is. Shake the bottom.
Yes, good enough.
Oh!
What did you do?
She pulled the microwave out.
I just almost.
I was gonna do nothing.
Why is it bent?
Yeah, what have you been doing to it?
That was not me. That was not me.
You've been
You
whisking
had
things
to
up
put
on
it in the
Wait,
bigger
wait,
one.
no.
Use the
you-
bigger whisk. That was like useless.
Where is it?
In the same drawer.
There's not a.
There's only a small one.
I think it was all our whisks. I guess I'll suffering with that one then. Alright.
It's alright if you need help.
It's fine, I've got muscles.
Okay,
Which
then you
one's
put this in the bowl.
Is it first? Which one's first?
It doesn't matter. It says place cookie mix into a bowl with egg and melted butter.
Okay, put them.
I'm ready. That's what I said. I need scissors, please, behind you.
No, because you're being mean to me.
Well, if you want your cookies. No,
Yeah, I do.
no, next to the, no, over there.
Oh, I thought that was 2 knives. That's why I was like, where's she pointing?
It looks like mustard.
Ew, what are you doing?
I'm melting.
Could you
it
put
more.
it in for another 30 seconds?
No,
Or at least 10
explode.
seconds. 10 seconds.
Who
10
do I
seconds.
listen to?
No, just put it in for 10 because
Okay,
it's still
get
like
up to-
solid.
Okay, fine.
Just another 10 seconds. Like 10
Solid.
seconds is not going to do anything. It's just going to like.
Well, why do I put it in
No,
there?
no, it's just going to like make it a bit softer.
But that's doing
Sounds
something then, isn't
useless.
it?
Is that
It's not going to as do much as in explode much.
okay, then.
Honey,
Oh, I'm gonna do the eggs.
it's just one egg. Crack it in the middle.
I'm crisking an eggshell? You do that?
What?
Yes, you just
no,
crack
you
it.
do, no. What
You
I
do
is
2
you
separate.
go warm against the bench,
Yeah.
and then you go warm in
That's
here.
a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Or
you
make
do
sure you
separate.
get no eggshells in it.
You're one of those people.
Whoa,
You
I
know,
put it. Yeah, I put it in.
Because that's
there.
when you can mix
fancy.
it.
Ready?
It's just not pouring for a while.
Alright.
Sorry, you were doing great. It's gonna take ages.
Fine. Watch me ace pour on this
Do we
egg.
need any spoons anymore? Probably not.
No, let's put away.
Just keep one. Keep the other one, not the one with the butter
It's
in
fine.
it.
Let's
Yeah.
get more out. Oh,
What is
sorry.
it with
my
you
hand's
and keep one, do this, 10 seconds? No, it's not going to do anything. Oh, yeah,
fine.
Will.
It's fine. We'll get more later.
Wait, is there milk in here? There's supposed to be milk in here? Or is it no?
isn't.
Oh,
Why?
it's just gonna be
Because the
really...
instruction says not to.
Why?
I don't know. This is like buttery.
Don't trust me. Wait, yeah, how much butter do you put?
A tablespoon and a half.
Oh,
That's what it says. Doesn't look like enough liquid.
Oh,
Maybe we
Around,
can
put a bit more butter
Put a
in
bit
it.
more butter.
You can put
I
this milk
put
in. It's gonna
I
taste
put my
good.
butter
It tastes
spoons
good.
away.
It says not to do
You
butter.
don't
So it
trust...
says not to do milk.
Does
just
it say
put a
no
little
milk? Wait, does it say as in like you shouldn't do
It
milk,
has
or
the
does it say...
ingredients.
Just
Look
put a little
at-
bit.
let's see.
Just put
It's
like
gonna
a
taste
splash.
good.
Just put like a splash on
We'll get a little bit more butter.
Can I get a spoon? That's
Oh,
why I
wait.
said keep the...
Instead, wait.
Oh.
Never mind.
What, did you say put more butter instead of
I'm
the milk?
going to suggest using the electric whisk because that is caked on. So whether you use the electric whisk. Oh my god! All right.
I just eat them.
What happened to
That's
getting
how it's
salmonella?
That's so funny.
Oh, but
Wait.
Do I pour it on the whisk that way? I can
Wait,
get it off?
no, it won't, because it's cold milk. It's not warm milk.
Ew, warm
What
milk's
milk's
gross.
yum? Oh.
But I don't like milk in general, like cold or hot. So
I love
realised.
milk. That's why I have such strong bones.
Calcium.
Yeah.
Calcium.
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 Oh
Calcium.
my god, bro.
It's your goddamn whisk.
I thought we had larger whisks.
That's why I suggest I just lick it off.
What was that?
The oven getting 160 degrees.
Hush. I'm losing
Hush.
your whisk. I'm gonna start speaking Tamil
god,
to it.
it's so funny.
I'm gonna start yelling at it. Okay. Pour
Oh, it says
milk.
mix with wooden spoon. Let's do that instead. I think,
Oh,
yeah.
get the spatula out.
The spatula.
Yes.
Just
What?
stir.
Stir the wooden spoon.
Wait, here. What's this
No,
called?
no, in there, in there.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
What?
Hold on, wait, what's this called?
I think we need some tunes, guys.
What's
I
this
don't know.
called?
I'm gonna put some.
This is what I call a spatula.
Oh, put on the TV.
Oh. But
This is what I call a spatula.
No, you can play whatever you want.
Kitty. Where's the remote?
Okay.
Because they say you can play from over there. It's not like.
Pour.
Yeah.
Like a little bit of milk in.
Hooked on a feeling. What do you use for your music?
Just YouTube.
Or Spotify?
Oh, you haven't
Well-
seen my new TV.
Just go on YouTube. Go on
Dude, it's
YouTube.
huge.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's so big. It's
Really?
bigger than
But
like
your
a
last,
theatre
but
size.
your last one was huge.
Okay, either pour a little bit more milk or either butter a little bit more.
What are you watching? Model prizes.
Oh, that's like that modeling thing earlier this year.
Oh yeah.
No, going to the side panel. Go to music, and just play mine. Or you can skip any songs you want.
This.
Don't you have Spotify on TV?
Yeah, but I don't like how it plays on Spotify.
I'll pass the first one. Living in my own world.
Could you heat up a little bit more butter, please?
How much is a little bit?
Like the same as how much you, like half of what you heated up last time. Which is like 1 teaspoon.
Oh.
Do 1 teaspoon.
Well, I think that's the right amount.
That's not, but it's alright. We'll just.
It's fine, I mean you trusted me. You just went
I
with it,
think that
so.
was a mistake.
Hey, you'll be thanking me once the cookies come out great.
Like better.
There's no other ones.
Yeah.
Dude, that's huge. It's a solid spoon.
I wasn't gonna put the butter on that. I was just gonna use it to
There
scoop.
you go.
Okay, for your
So you have
information,
to wash it again and get
No, that's
we have other spoons
Oh. Oh.
there.
Why they fix this?
Ancient Barbie. No.
Are they soup spoons?
I don't know, probably. Why is it pushing? Oh, so good.
Has the oven preheated well?
Yes, I said before. You know how that beef was.
Oh, yeah, true. Do you have like a paper, sorry, not paper, tea towel?
Right in front of your face.
Well, I didn't want to use the one that's been used. I want like something clean so that we
Oh,
can like
why?
let it like sit for a while because then it'll be good.
No, no one does that with cake with these boxes. You don't need to do with boxes. Okay, if you're making them from scratch, do them properly. Because then it's a box, will be fine.
How long did you put it in for?
I don't know.
I know.
Oh, I just popped it.
That's good.
Just leave the spoon, leave the spoon.
It's got a little floaty. It looks like a dinosaur. Look.
Thank you.
Right, let me see, let me see.
So cute. Looks like a
It's like-
seahorse.
Yeah, look at that. That's really cool.
Show the camera, show the camera.
Yeah,
Oh, it's hot.
Careful.
it's worth it.
It's worth showing them the dinosaur because, you know,
Yeah.
who cares if you don't know?
Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that.
Yes, they can see that.
It looks really cool.
Okay. What's the
Sorry,
pee?
sorry. Do you want me to pour it?
Just pour it while I do. Mm. Wait, is it salted or on? Salted or on?
It's on.
Okay, good.
Not really.
Nice vibe.
This is a really boring video to watch because I'm not really talking much.
How has life been for all?
Very boring.
Yeah.
My life's like this cookie dough right now.
I'm literally working every day, so like, I can't even.
Me too.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, we're all working. Such responsible
Whoa.
children.
Oh no. Ah, the foil! It fell out.
You want to
Put it back in.
You want to rethink the responsible part?
Hey.
Okay, we're responsible in terms of we can work, we just can't work together.
Scissors.
This is why at work I don't work in the kitchen.
Okay. What do you call this?
I don't know.
I call this a
a flat
spatula.
spatula.
Spatula?
No, because
So
it
now I
has
call
holes.
it spatula.
No. Spatulas have holes in
No,
it.
they don't.
Spatulas.
No, a
Spatula is
spatula.
something like that thingy.
We have holy
Oh.
spatulas.
I found the whisk, guys.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Oh.
I found
We don't need it
Don't
anymore.
replace our little baby.
No, I believe you once forever. No, a spatula.
Bendy. So,
Our spatulas all have holes in
It's a
it.
spatula?
Yeah.
that's a spatula, yeah, that's a
But ours
spatula.
have
Yeah,
holes
which is
in
not
it.
that, because this is bent.
Well, this
Yeah,
is
what's
also
that
called a
called?
spatula. This is called a spatula.
Sorry,
Yeah,
sure.
so yeah, this is
It's
because it's
weird.
like flat, that's why it's called a spatula. Do you want to try some?
Yes.
Try some.
Mmm.
Ah,
Look at my hand!
Calm down.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. I'm proud of you.
we're just gonna get a spoon and eat.
We should cut them into love hearts, you know?
Oh, yes. No, to draw faces.
Oh.
Okay, okay. I think we've kneaded them enough. Do you have shape cutters?
I'm about to take that.
Cool.
But it's like not room for like me.
I'm really not having it. I've stood here for ages.
You're dancing and giving me vibes.
And the body roll thing where people are like, yeah, that.
Oh, I thought we were gonna do it together, and I was like, that's so cool. We'll do it together.
Oh, we can do this. You want to go like that?
Shimmy, shimmy, yo, shimmy, yow.
We have this. What is that? It's two dolphins and a heart in the middle.
Oh,
Oh, that's a dolphin and that's a dolphin.
It's meant for sandwiches though, so I don't know how it's gonna go.
where's
Wait,
the dolphin?
I'll check in here.
Get a little bowl.
I might get salmonella. Thank you.
We'll get it together. We'll get it together.
We'll get it together.
We'll get something.
Oh, no thanks.
Only circles.
Well, we can hand make shapes.
What we'll do is, we'll put it on the baking paper, we'll like flatten it out, and then we'll like cut out parts.
Yeah. Yeah. With
We'll
some
do them ourselves.
knives. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We can just do a little, yeah.
Yeah.
I should like vlog this so that they can actually see what we're
I
doing
moved to the chair.
when we
Okay.
start.
Have you washed your hands?
Yes.
Wash
Sure.
your hands.
Oh.
Because the meat.
I'll vlog and you guys can do them unless I need to take
Have
over.
you washed your hands?
No, I haven't. But I'm only using the spatula right now. So.
Almost went home. What are the chances? Yeah, I was making sure I was singing the same lyrics.
Oh.
That looks great. You made a mini heart. Sort of. Not really, actually.
It's like a circle.
Oval. Now grab your wrist. I can be a better boyfriend than him. How's it going there? That looks really gross.
Yeah, that's why I need you to knead it all
Well, why
out.
are you using a spatula? I just grab it and
Yeah,
then
no,
put it on.
well, put it
Do you have a
on the
rolling
baking
pin?
paper, Yeah. That's
Although,
what I
how
was looking
flat
for.
do we want them?
Because
Well, you
mine
can use
will
the rolling pin.
expand in the thing.
Yeah, true.
Do you have a rolling pin? We used to. Houses, we got rid of like half the stuff. Look at this drawer, isn't that beautiful?
Oh, I genuinely thought you were going to show us an aesthetic one, and I was like, oh.
No,
and
it's
then,
not a junk drawer. Oh,
all our drawers are junk
I
drawers.
think we got rid of them. They got rid of it. Because I went to towels to zoom in.
I know.
Sorry. You can just do what you can. Yes. You strong enough, mate?
Excuse me. Sorry.
Just no, as in like
No,
spread it out
fine.
first and then cut it out. It's half. We can do half-shaped cookies. Oh,
What if we just... Oh, no. What if we just go boom?
and then you shape them into hearts. Don't tell me.
No.
There
There you
Oh.
go. Wait.
Okay, no, that looks like a looks like a frog. Oh, what is that?
You can see it, right?
Yes,
Okay, flatten it out a little
It
bit.
has little
It looks like
cheeks.
a pointy.
It has good cheekbones. It looks like underwear.
That does not
Looks like underwear. It looks like
Excuse me,
underwear.
we can't show
It
that
looks like
on
a
camera.
uterus.
No.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a uterus.
Wait,
Is that what
do I
you were
have to,
thinking
like,
of?
scrub it, or do I put it in the-
Put in the dishwasher. Bottom shelf. What if we just...
Hold on, let me. That's better.
What if we would
Can I
see...
try?
Yes.
Oh, I need to wash my hands first.
Yes, please.
Where's the soap? Do you have soap?
Under the sink. It's the purple... No, it's the other one. The pink thing. No, yes, dishwashing liquid. Yeah, that.
Thanks.
Oh, this
Oh, I love this one.
Dandelions is so good. You think that's better? See a blob.
Okay, cut it with knives.
That's what I said, but then she was like, no, just
Hold
roll
on.
it.
Oh my god, fine, it's gonna
You
knife
guys,
then.
what you guys? Okay, you guys make the circles and pass them to me, and I'll cut them.
Cool.
Oh, progress, alright. Progress,
Yeah,
teamwork.
I'm smart. I'm gonna use this. I don't know what this knife is usually used for, but I'm gonna use it because it's nice and small.
Actually, I have no idea what that's used for.
Well, we use that to open up things that Daniel ran up because
Okay.
our scissors got stolen.
Circle. What?
Why is it
How's
so-
someone stealing your scissors?
Why is it so squishy? I mean,
Here, this one, like
hold
flat.
on.
Yeah.
flattish.
Oh my
I
god.
think.
It's because it's too sticky.
Yeah, it's really sticky. Hold on. It's really sticky.
We've
What
had
the
from the past, almost like 10 years.
How about we just eat circled donuts?
Wait,
That,
someone-
just to clarify, that is not a heart that she has made.
It looks.
Looks like you killed someone. That's what it
oh my
looks
god,
like.
it does! It
You like my
looks
heart?
like a body.
A dead heart. It's my heart.
Let's just have.
Broken heart.
Those look so disgusting.
Dude, why are you doing them like that?
Well, I
Have
thought
have
you were gonna
never
cut them.
made cookies before?
Well, I was gonna roll
Clearly.
them, but then they're all.
Well, I rolled one before. I rolled one before, guys. It's not that hard. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you.
I don't think I can do it. I just thought you wanted them flat, so
Yeah. We'll put them in blobs and hope for the best.
you can squish them.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Or whoever wants
right.
to squish them, you can
No.
squish them.
Bro!
Do it with your palm.
Oh my gosh, are you comfortable?
This is what happens if I do it with my palm. You.
Oh
Oh!
no! Ready, watch.
It's like peanut butter.
It does.
You guys never. Oh my god.
No, I have made. It's your
Fine
cookie
then, you can do
mix.
it yourself.
What you do?
Show us
You
how
just
to do
roll
it
it
then.
with- roll
This
it.
is someone right now.
Leisha.
No, you just roll it on your fingers like that.
Yeah, it didn't work.
Yeah, that's what I did
Look
the
at
first
mine.
time.
Look at mine.
Okay, do
Look
the
at
other
mine.
one.
They're clean.
Come wash your hands. Oh, they taste like gingerbread.
Why is it like gingerbread?
They taste like gingerbread.
They're so weird. I bet you not gonna. Oh, my cat's staring at me. On the door.
Do you want
No,
me
I'm-
to open
Yeah,
it?
sure. So her.
Don't, wait, what? Your hands. Your,
You just dropped cookie dough on the carpet.
Oh no, it's fine. Didn't rub off on anything.
Cool.
you know
Hey,
what?
Rosie.
I will use a spoon.
Okay.
He was toy cat.
Rosie. Rosie. Come on. Rosie. Rosie, please come inside. I can tell you want to, just sniff in the door. Just close the door, she'll be fine. She'll just stare at us from the door, it's fine. If she wanted to come inside, she would. But Judy's not there yet. They're both outside somewhere, so we're fine. What are you doing with these? Oh!
I'm entering them.
Okay,
Really?
those look good. Those actually look good.
See, I should just roll from the start, guys, but you never believe me.
Yeah, but we
Oh.
want to make hearts.
Descendants, guys!
I love this song.
This song's actually so good.
I thought it said
Only, it looks like poo.
Oh, ew.
We're gonna eat that. You can't say that.
They know that doesn't. Just what's smeared on my hand does. It's okay. I think the only thing I'm good
I'll draw a
for
love
here
heart for you guys.
is the videoing part.
Yeah, turn the music up. This song is actually so good.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Decide what's wrong, what's right, which way should I go?
Next time when we have sleepover, we should do it when I have a night shift so that I can bring donuts.
Oh, yes. What was you thinking about that before? Was we both going to a donut place today? So we thought you were going to bring donuts afterwards, then you guys were going to go to my house. Like, oh, wrong place. That's fine.
Apparently they give free stuff there too, but like
Oh, really?
all the free stuff they give are like expired perfume.
Oh, ew. Sounds a bit dodgy.
Mm-hmm.
It's so little.
Like you!
Oh.
That's me.
Was like Descendants songs are so underrated. She's so good. What the hell is that? Okay.
Oh, you're singing, okay.
Something new.
No, I didn't sing. It's your microphone.
I can't decide what's wrong, what's right, which way should I
Excuse me. I listen to you sing. Listen to me sing.
Yeah, but I sang good. No, just kidding. Kidding, but I know I don't. I was joking.
I didn't know we'll be back. Purple. I managed to buy things at every single Cotton On store I went to.
Wow, good
It's
job.
ridiculous.
Cotton On's so good though.
It is. I didn't think I would actually buy much there, considering like my style and their clothes. But
Some of their
also
clothes
much
are a
like-
bit interesting. The rest of them are good.
There was literally a top that looked like a skirt, and I was like, what the heck? I was taking it, and I was like, yeah, and I was like, it was obviously sure I wasn't gonna buy it anyways, but it was like literally like skirt underwear, and I was like, and then this lady comes by, and she's like, and I'm like,
paper on that.
oh, I thought that was one ball, and I was like, got to wait, why? Just
We have
put them all
enough
on
space.
this.
No, it was all spread out. They're all mixed together. Which is really annoying.
Instead of tin.
We'll cut it.
No, put it on top of that. Oh. There's a King Island, and I made cookies that all blending together. I thought they were so close together.
Yeah, and then you also got food poisoning.
Oh, it was a different batch.
Oh, sorry.
No, I think
Too
someone
many,
else
I got
got.
confused. No,
Yeah.
we
But
you
no,
got food poisoning from
mine-
brownie batch.
Yeah, that people half cooked.
Sorry, it's just
Go put that in the oven.
put it in the oven.
Yeah.
We put it in the oven.
Into the oven, guys.
Oven.
Wait.
We're gonna show them what it looks
Oh
like.
yeah. Oh.
Excuse me, what about my face?
Hey, I rolled these.
Oh.
So let them cookie jokes what you do.
It's not what you think it is.
Alright, let's put it in the oven.
Cool. Top shelf. Not top shelf, like middle shelf.
Like the air fryer.
No.
That one?
Yes.
this one. This is
Oh.
what you
Oh,
were
wait,
saying.
what? How long do you put them in for?
How long do we put them in for?
18 minutes.
18 minutes.
That's really specific.
Okay, so 18
I'm gonna
minutes.
sit here for 18 and
18
watch them
Oh,
cook.
that's part of that?
No, you have to buy it because the oven doesn't come with this stuff.
Oh.
I have to buy it.
Oh,
Great.
right, because you don't put the timer on the oven, okay?
Is it starting? I think it's
so-
dead.
Oh, are you ready,
Ready
for
for
it? Oh,
Oh, there you go.
How
Throw.
me?
Okay.
great job.
Throw.
3 times.
Because it was too long. I didn't think that.
That's
if
why
you
you
don't
measure
measure
it.
it.
Yeah.
Oh no, I just ripped it off.
Oh my god.
Well, I thought if I had stuff hanging off the sides, then they could burn and catch fire.
Never
Yeah.
happened
Well, but if that happens, what you do is you fold it backwards and not inward,
Oh
like this ish.
no! Hold on. Sorry.
Oh, as much as that's all I've been hearing for the past 3 days.
Yeah, you can skip songs if you want to. But you might want to skip a long way because I tell you, this is really weird. You can't
why
shuffle
didn't
play it on the TV. So you might want to just skip a lot. No. Push the
This
back
is a
button.
kind generation. This is a kind donation from.
Go push the back
Alicia
button.
Lee's
See
cover.
that arrow on the control back button?
Yeah.
Yeah, go back. Now scroll. Now go down and just skip all the Taylor Swift because there's a lot there. Because you can't shuffle play it on the TV, which is really annoying.
Where
all
is
the
there a
Taylor Swift-
particular place that you put it?
No, anyway. We don't have any organisation in our fridge.
It's quite organized.
It's because nothing in there.
Oh, there was this. No, I shouldn't. Probably. You're not gonna post that video, are you?
Which one?
You probably are.
Yeah.
The video that we're making right now.
Yeah.
Okay, no mind. Then I won't say the name.
Can you code name? Code name?
No, it was just at work. When we do medication, we have to type up their name and find them, and their
Alright.
name was super long.
Who's squished on that one?
That's what I said.
Why did it look like there was more?
She wouldn't believe me.
Hold on.
Just make it into one big cookie instead of making it into like 4. Because then it would be at least. You don't want with your hands.
It looks so weird. They can't hear music, so I'm just in the background going. Oh.
Heaven knows I've tried. Woo. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Let them know. Well, now they know. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Put it in the oven. Oh, we could do this into a heart.
Let it go. Let it go.
Oh.
Excuse me? That's not how the song goes.
Yeah,
This
she
is gonna
changed
be
it.
Lovato version. It's the original version, guys. The one from the movie you'll play soon.
Oh
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that's so cute.
You better start
Thank
that.
you. Take a big picture. No. This way. There you go.
Hold on. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Well,
You didn't
phone.
know that? It's your phone. That was me who made the heart, by the way.
Let it go.
Oh my gosh, I look like Rapunzel's hair. Look how long it
Black Rapunzel.
is. Black-haired Rapunzel.
Yeah.
I mean,
Alright, tuck it in.
Technically, you are black.
Technically what?
Technically.
Technically what?
hey, it's just the truth, guys.
It's brown, thank you very much. Put it in the oven.
So your heart.
Alright,
That's yeah.
it is my heart. And it will burn to provide food for you guys.
No,
tonight.
thanks.
Where do I put it?
We're underneath it.
You know it's posting.
That's okay.
You know, only our friends follow, so we'll be fine.
You can edit it out.
This also wasn't very successful too.
Oh wait, no, I don't know if I posted it or not.
What?
The dance that we did at your place the last time.
That one?
Yes.
We need to do that with all three of us.
Yes.
Oh, we need to have,
We
while this is cooking, we
should.
need to make some TikToks.
Yes.
We'll be back, guys.
Hey.
It's ready.
The timer has gone off. Oh, I need to teach it. Wait, we can't get
Oh,
them out.
the two have molded together.
Oh,
Oh,
at the
twins.
front. It's gonna be hot for the steam.
Oh, look how hot.
I feel like, oh yeah, you have to put them out and cool them, right?
No,
Oh.
wait. Get me a knife so you can see so you can see if they're cooked.
Over.
Hmm.
Oh.
No. No.
No,
Nope.
first one.
Of course
No,
you know
get
where
it.
the knives are.
No, you get a sharp knife. Like, go from
Oh,
there.
I'm sitting on the floor.
No, there's a... Get one from over there. Over there, over
It's a
there.
sharp knife.
No, get from over there.
Why do you need a goddamn this
Get
big
the
sharp
thin... No,
knife?
get the small, thinny one. No, it's not thin. That's not thin.
Contain
Yeah, that
yourself, Hinge.
Be careful. There are knives in play here.
Nobody
Okay.
move.
It's clearly doughy.
Yeah.
How do we want them, though? Oh, they're fine.
That's why, you know, because then you leave them out for a while and then they get a bit
I'm
hot.
not fine. I can't get them out.
Thank you very much.
Ugh.
Oh.
Ugh. Ow. Not ow, but tray probably hurt.
Ow's fine.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Ooh, that hurts.
between
Oh,
the
that
gaps.
heart's actually so cute.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put it on Instagram before I eat it.
Oh, make sure actually.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yum yum. Oh,
Okay, which one, guys?
Hashtag raw.
Which one?
Let it
Which
cool.
one was?
Oh,
Heat plate. Look at the bottom. It's cute.
Oh, they're cool. I didn't know they were
Yeah.
heat plates.
I thought they were just part of like, you
No.
know, the wall.
Because we have no like space, so we've got the heat
Oh,
plate.
that's so cute.
Burn the
I
bench.
actually love your house and your kitchen.
It's
It's
so
also
sad. Like, kitchen's
cooking.
actually so good, but no one ever cooks in it.
This is
No one
where
likes
we'll
cooking.
all live together.
Yeah, all my parents moved out, we'll bite off them.
We will cut to when these are cooled and we try some.
Or
Oh my god.
you could put them on, you know, once we stack them, obviously.
No, because as you put them on, they'll create calm, so we'll do it afterwards.
I have that on camera. Where'd it go? Oh. There you go. Sorry, I didn't mean to moan.
Just really excited about this.
Shut up! That was an accident.
Oh, you know what? This lady came and asked, oh, can I have a dirty mocha? And I was like, what? And then I asked someone, because a dirty mocha or dirty something is like when you have coffee in a drink that doesn't have coffee in it
Who
usually.
the hell calls it that?
No, she literally was like,
That's
can I
so
have
bad.
it? She was like, can I have a dirty spicy almond chai? And I was
Oh my
like,
God.
And she moaned afterwards.
you want what? And then she was like,
That's very concerning.
and then I was like,
Put them in
yeah,
the bowl.
sure. And then I was like,
Hmm.
and then as soon as she left, I asked someone working there. I was like, "What the heck? Oh, yeah, a dirty one's like." What? I was like,
That's so
"No, I did
weird.
not."
Why do they call it that?
Oh.
It's my heart, guys.
That's attached to paper.
Ah.
I don't know why I'm filming all this. It's not very exciting.
Ah.
The aftermath of us trying to cook. She drops her My Little Pony mug
Yeah,
on the ground.
unfortunately, my
Not
My Little
me.
Pony mug was sacrificed by myself being clumsy.
And now she has a band-aid to prove it.
Yeah. My finger is bleeding. You can't see it now, but it's... Yeah.
It's tiny cut.
Fun times.
Wait.
Putting them in a bowl.
Putting in the bowl.
Oh, that's cute. Insta-worthy. Very nice. Hold on, let me take a
No,
picture.
change the background.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's cute. Hold on. Don't breathe in, Alicia. Perfect.
Okay,
Don't
for a good
breathe.
20 seconds.
Hold your breath.
Yeah.
All good.
Alright, we are about to watch a movie and eat our cookies.
Cookies.
Thanks for joining us on our chaotic baking
Journey.
journey.
And we love you.
Bye.